Martha Karua has finally spoken after reports that she is disagreeing with Azimio Leader Raila Odinga on the National Dialogue Committee NADCO report. The NARC Kenya party leader has called upon the citizens of Kenya to reject the NADCO, asserting that it inadequately addresses the critical issue of the rising cost of living. During a press briefing following an end-of-year meeting with party members, Karua expressed her dissatisfaction with the report, characterizing it as a contempt card for Kenyans. She emphasized that the cost of living was the primary concern during the suspension of protests for the Bomas of Kenya talks. In her critique, Karua accused the NADCO report of lacking substantial measures to alleviate the suffering of citizens, portraying it as a deceptive ploy that benefits leaders while neglecting the pressing concerns of the public. She labeled the report a fraud and a distracting national smokescreen, suggesting that the committee responsible for it was unwilling, composed of incompetent individuals tasked with unnecessary responsibilities. Karua highlighted the insensitivity of the Kenya Kwanza government to consistently raise the cost of living without considering the plight of citizens grappling with poverty. She specifically pointed to the Finance Act 2023, enacted after public participation, noting widespread opposition, especially regarding the doubling of the fuel tax, leading to a harmful escalation in the overall cost of living. Addressing economic challenges, Karua pointed out the negative impact of punitive taxes, resulting in negative pay slips for many Kenyans and prompting businesses to close or relocate to more favorable environments, including neighboring countries. She criticized the housing levy as a slush fund, designed to benefit a privileged tenderpreneur aristocracy. Furthermore, Karua linked the escalating costs of electricity and fuel to increased production costs, rendering essential goods unaffordable for many Kenyans and contributing to job losses as businesses strive to stay afloat. The Azimio co-principal did not spare criticism for President William Ruto, accusing him of failing to implement austerity measures to curb wastage of public resources and combat corruption within his government. She alleged that corruption and outright theft of public funds had reached unprecedented levels, citing the edible oil scandal where 15 billion shillings was lost under the pretext of importing cheaper cooking oil, only to end up with unfit oil that has mysteriously disappeared from storage. This is a developing story. Continue following the Kenya News Channel to get updates.